Want to know how to get the best home loan for you? I'm Mary Burruss with Liz Moore and Associates, and in this video, I divulge 4 secrets that banks usually fail to tell you when you're applying for a loan. There are a lot of types of loans and programs out there, and you want to save time, money, and prevent heartache by ensuring that you find the best loan product for you. So what are the things to know? First, you're allowed to shop around. That's right. Shopping around for a loan can save you money by helping you find the best interest rate and terms for your specific financial situation and to help you meet your long-term goals. I suggest interviewing at least 3 lenders to learn the different products offered. I also prefer local lenders to national operations because a local lender is usually able to offer quicker responses to your lending needs and questions, and that can be really important. Second, credit scores count, but they are not everything. Your credit score, whether good or bad, isn't the only factor that determines your interest rate, even though you might have heard that somewhere before. Income, employment history, and the amount you plan to offer for a down payment also play a big role. Third, understand that your interest rate can change. The interest rate you get for your pre-approval isn't guaranteed. Interest rates may fluctuate during your home buying process, so the rate your lender quoted during the pre-approval process, which was, of course, the loan rate at that time, may not be the final rate offered for your actual loan. Lastly, the true cost of your loan. Different loan products, as they're called in the biz, offer different ways of paying back the loan. Adjustable rate mortgages or interest-only loans can result in higher costs after certain periods of time. Before signing, be sure you understand your loan and its long-term payment structure. Buyers, I want you to have the best loan possible for you. If you do a little homework up front to find the right lender and loan product, you can be confident in your borrowing decisions. There you have it. I'm Mary Burruss with Liz Moore and Associates, asking you to please tag anyone you know planning to buy a home in the next year. And if you need help finding a local lender or have questions about buying a home, send me a message at maryburruss@lizmore.com. I'm looking forward to helping you find your home.